In this busy and modern lifestyle, have you been pondering about ways to live healthy and stop the aging process? Then I have brought this quick sick hacks which has been advised by one of the famous nurse doctors. Watch the video. My name is Dr. Taimur, or I'm a general practitioner. Here is the first one for you. If you set an alarm on your mobile phone every hour, if you take a small stroll or a brisk walk for just few minutes, what is it going to do? It's going to reduce the inflammation in your body in long term. It's going to reduce an inflammatory marker called TNF, and it will reduce that. Studies have shown that exercise is there to reduce your inflammation. The second one is interesting. It's called mind and diet. They did a study to prove this. They asked us one group of people to follow their normal diet and the one group of people to follow the mind and diet, and look what they found out. They found there was a marked difference in those people who were taking the mind diet. Vegetables, legumes, fruits, nuts, fish will be also part of it as well, which will give you the high source of omega 3 fatty acids. Which is, the third hack is interesting, and I think most of us forget to do it, which is cleaning your teeth. They say that if you don't clean your teeth every day, you don't do flossing, then and you are prone to get more of gingivitis. So you need to look after your teeth. The fourth one, which we always talk about, is reducing your stress factor. If you do these
Exercise, where you breathe in through your nose to a count of 4, hold your breath to a count of 2, and breathe out of your mouth to a count of 4, can help cut down stress and inflammation.
Fifth one is more interesting because we were having a chat with one of my colleagues recently about constantly putting the heating on. So they say if you decrease the temperature of your house to a degree that you feel a bit cold, it brings brown fat, and that brown fat is good for you. If you burn that brown fat, it's
Brown
going to...
fat produces a chemical called mycin 2, which is associated with reducing inflammation.
The last one is everyone struggles with it. Wherever you can stop those extra calories, that the diet that we talked about that day, if you can do those things, you are going to have a less aging process and the inflammation will be less and you are going to have a healthier life. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
To recap, the 6 tips are setting a movement alarm, following a mind diet, regular flossing, turning down the thermostat, practicing deep breathing, and cutting calories. Implementing these tips could be a step towards a longer, healthier life. So why not give it a try?